So you've used AI before to create content for your YouTube faceless channel, for example. But what is an AI tool that you can actually use to create content that you can post on your social media as organic content to grow your brand? And I'm talking about short form content that actually looks real, natural, and that is suited for brand growth. And the tool that I used, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it, is Hypernatural AI. We're going to learn how to brand the content for specific niches and exactly how to create content with AI that works as organic content to post every single day on social media. So that makes AI your best friend for creating content that actually converts. So let's start and learn how to use Hypernatural for this. You can go ahead and click the link below to create your account. I already created mine, and I'm going to test it right now with you to create short videos ideas and different niches so you can see how you can use it for different brands. So we're going to go ahead and check it out. I'm going to log into my account, and the first thing that you see right here is let's make a video, and you have multiple ideas that you can choose from. So you can choose photographic, holiday movie trailer, AI ad, grandma's stories, how we met videos, Valentine's Day cards, and so many others. Kids bedtime story, dog video, cat video, and so much more. You can have a Christmas card, Mascot ad, life story. So these are perfect to use for different types of content that I've seen going around on social media, especially for brands, personal brands too, that work really, really well. And we're going to start with the first one to test everything. Besides being able to choose these types of videos that you want to create, you can also choose different styles. So you can choose 3D animation, photographic, and as you can see, so much more. One that I really like is storyboard, for example. This can be used for storytelling videos. And then we have studio, that you can use for explainer YouTube videos or reels and more. Then you can choose from multiple characters. You can create your own character or choose the ones that they already have. As you can see right here, they have plenty of characters to choose from, or you have the option of going ahead and creating a new character, and you can create a new character from images. So for example, you upload an image of somebody that you found, I don't know, on Pinterest, and you can create a character named Anna, for example, and generate the character from a photo, from a prompt. So this is going to be really useful if you want to create a character of yourself for a YouTube channel, explainer videos, reels, and more. What I'm going to do is try to create a character with my face, just so we can create those types of content for my channels, for my brands. So this is an example one that we did, but let's create one with my face so I can see exactly how it works. I'm going to just write my name and generate character. Take a look at the images that it created. Clothing, black blazer, I would rather say that, and click regenerate. So we're setting the basis here before we start creating our content, just for the character to be nice and to be our own. There you go. This is really me and really nice. A beauty ad with Lydia using this contour palette. It's creating the entire script for us, and we're just clicking make video. So it is going to use the character that we've created in a beauty ad, and it is going to also use the product that we've added. And then once it's creating the images and everything that we want, we can make it create the animations as well. This is really good because it's using the character that we've selected in our video, and it looks really nice. Let's take a look. I really like this. I would change a few different things, but the fact that it created an entire character with my face, that makes it so much easier for you to be able to create unique videos. So this really looks like me, and what I'm going to do is click on full motion and add motion to all the scenes.
Ready to sculpt your look effortlessly? Discover the secret to natural definition and radiant glow. With Hazel Mood Beauty, precision is power. Seamlessly blend creams for a flawless finish that enhances your natural beauty. Transform your features. Unleash your inner artist. Get your Hazel Mood Beauty Contour Palette today and glow with confidence.
The next thing I'm going to do is create a video selling my Etsy course. For example, Lydia talks about an Etsy step-by-step course clip. I'm not going to pick anything else. I'm just going to choose style, same narrator, custom generations.
Lydia, a digital entrepreneur in her mid-20s, welcomes us to her workspace, her dark brown hair falling neatly over her shoulders.
Hey everyone! If you've ever dreamt of turning your creative passion into profit, you're definitely in the right place.
Lydia said, gesturing confidently with a smile.
Etsy is an incredible platform for creators, but navigating its complexities to truly stand out can feel incredibly overwhelming. That's exactly why I created something truly special.
Lydia continues, explaining the core components of her new step-by-step course.
My comprehensive Etsy course guides you step by step, from your initial idea to making your very first successful sale. We start by discovering your unique product niche, then dive deep into crafting listings that actually get noticed by customers.
She emphasized noticed with a determined look.
From taking eye-catching product photos to writing SEO-optimized descriptions, I'll show you precisely how to stand out in a crowded marketplace.
Lydia leans forward, her expression warm and inviting, her brown eyes sparkling.
The course also covers essential marketing strategies to drive consistent traffic to your shop, how to handle customer service like a true professional, and scaling your business for long-term, sustainable growth. It's absolutely everything you need, distilled into clear, actionable steps.
Lydia said, holding up one hand to tick off points.
Don't let the technicalities or uncertainties hold you back any longer. Join me and let's build your dream Etsy shop together, starting today. The link to enroll is right there in the description.
Lydia concluded with a confident nod, her dark brown hair gently swaying.
This is so much fun. Again, you can make so many modifications, like add more photos of the actual product, add photos of the actual model that you've used for the photo shoot, for example. The next thing I'm going to do, again with my character, is a story about Lydia and how she started her YouTube channel, for example, for a storytelling video. But for the style, I'm going to choose the storyboard style. And let's see. I'm just going to click make a video.
Lydia, a bright young woman with a passion for storytelling, often found herself captivated by the digital world. For months, an idea had been brewing in her mind, starting her own YouTube channel, but the leap felt monumental.
Another blank screen. Is anyone even listening?
Lydia sighed, the weight of self-doubt pressing down on her. The countless hours of planning, the fear of judgment, it all felt overwhelming. One morning, after countless internal debates, Lydia decided enough was enough. She took a deep breath, adjusted her camera, and pressed record.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Lydia, and today I want to talk about...
She spoke, her voice gaining confidence with each word. The first video wasn't perfect, but it was a start. The upload button, however, presented a new hurdle.
Okay, just one click. No turning back now.
Lydia paused, her finger hovering over the mouse. The screen blurred for a moment, then she clicked. Days turned into weeks, and Lydia continued to create content, each video a step forward. One afternoon, checking her phone, she discovered something surprising.
Oh wow, 100 subscribers. And look at these comments. People actually like it.
Lydia scrolled through encouraging messages, her initial fears replaced by a sense of validation and joy. Her small community was growing, one video at a time.
This is just the beginning. I can't wait to see where this journey takes me.
And so, Lydia's YouTube journey, born from a quiet idea, blossomed into a thriving space for her unique voice.
This is really cool. Again, I let hypernatural systems write the story and everything, but if you want to write this story for your own social media, you can write it subjectively and say, first I started this morning, blah, 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 and just create your own story. And when you have your brand voice there, everything is going to be different. And you can also add full motion to these clips as well. But the storytelling types of photos that it generated, they're really cool. And I will definitely be using this to create the story of my brand's own social media once I get everything up and running. Now, another thing that you can do is create UGC style videos for beauty products, for example, or just products in general. And what you can do for this is go to product, add a product. For example, I'm just going to add this contour palette. It has 3 different products inside: contour, blush, and highlighter. We're waiting on the ad to be created, and then of course adding motion because it makes it a lot more fun. It's really nice. Again, you can use photos of the actual product, not AI generated, and it will look a lot more natural. So this is great to use for different ads that you might want to create, and it's perfect to try out.
Rush hour, big night out, never compromise your glow. Introducing the all-in-one contour palette. Sculpt, blush, and illuminate with 3 perfect shades, all in one compact. Effortlessly define your features and add a radiant finish. Designed for your on-the-go lifestyle. Get your contour palette today and redefine your beauty routine.
And then after this, we're going to create a funny TikTok mascot video. And this is a really fun idea that I would love to try for my brands because it is really unique. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and pick the style from create. I'm just going to create mascot ad. You can choose a character.
I can't believe it. Weeks of hard work finally paid off. This is just the beginning.
So as you can see, you can use Hypernatural AI to create videos for short form ads and even YouTube videos. So I highly suggest trying it out using the link in the description. I know I will definitely be using it for my videos, so stay tuned on my social media channels as well to see how I'm using it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!